All right, guys, today we're going to start with mental math. If you were able to print out the Google document, the fractions are on there. If not, I posted them with the prompt too. So just a reminder, anybody who went to try it and then couldn't figure it out, or maybe forgot, when we're decomposing, we're just breaking them up into smaller fractions and putting them in an addition sentence. And we also want to talk about the word unit fraction. So I wrote down a couple of examples. So let's start with 6/8. So simple way is I'm going to think of the number 6. What are all the different ways I can add to numbers to add to 6? 1 plus 6. Oh, no. 1 plus 5. Another way, 2 plus 4. And then another way, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And when we're adding or decomposing the fractions, we want to make sure our denominator is not changing because we still want to end up with 6/8. So this would be 1/8 plus 5/8. This one would be 2/8 plus 4/8. And when I add 1 plus 5, it equals 6/8. Remember, the denominator never changes. 2 plus 4 also equals 6/8. And this here, does anybody remember what we call these kinds of fractions? When we have all ones in the numerator? Give you a hint. It's written on the board. If anybody guessed this, you are correct. So that is an example of using unit fractions. That means your numerator always has to be the number 1. Now we get down to this. Hopefully you guys notice something's a little bit different about this number. We have a whole number, and we have the fraction. So when we put those together, we call it a mixed number. So you could just leave the whole as it is and just decompose the fraction. So 1 plus 2 gives us our 3/4, and then we add on the 2 wholes. So the final answer would be 2 3/4. Now we could decompose this if we wanted and show it 1 whole is 4/4, plus the next whole is 4/4, plus the 3/4. Okay. Another way, maybe show 1 whole plus 4/4 plus 3/4. So as you can see, this one's going to have a lot more possible answers. This one's going to have a little less because we're only talking about a fraction. When you get the whole number, it opens up the door for a lot more. So as far as the mental math answers go, you just need to make sure that whatever you added, that your denominator has stayed the same. The numerator is the one that should equal this. There are different answers, so I can't write down every single answer. But if you're not sure if you got something right, and you just want to send me a little message or thread on the post, can help you out with that. Or one of your friends might, if they're online when you happen to do that. All right, good luck.